Sigma is back with another addition to their full-frame mirrorless lineup, introducing the 28-105mm f2.8 DG/DN art lens for Sony E-mount and Leica L-mount. This lens is perfect for all shooters, photo and video, sporting a constant f2.8 throughout the entire focal range and a surprisingly compact form factor. Weighing in at under 2 pounds, the 28-105 is an all-in-one from wide angle to telephoto. The rounded 12-blade diaphragm helps keep the wide aperture unit as small as possible, and the lens barrel near the mount is made of magnesium rather than aluminum. This helps reduce weight while maintaining the integrity of the camera lens mount. As with many of Sigma's latest glass, it features a lockable and declickable aperture ring, dust and splash resistance, and a water and oil repellent coating on the front element. The optical performance is consistent from 28 to 105 by utilizing 5 aspherical lens elements as well as special FLD glass in the first element grouping. Overall, this lens would work well in just about any creator's bag. Whether you shoot photography, video, or anything in between, the wide focal range, the fast aperture, and the compact size makes this 28-105 anyone's daily lens. Thanks so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an upload. As always, if you have any other questions about the 28-105 art lens or anything else camera related, please be sure to give us a call, send us an email, DM us on one of our social media channels, or simply stop by one of our 9 stores located around New England.